Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this beautiful pastry keychain. This is the very easy and beginner friendly tutorial, so let's get started and make it with me. For this tutorial here I am using two color of yarn. This is cotton yarn, very soft, and also double knit yarn. And here I am using gun glue, 4mm of crochet hook, and also a keychain hook. In this video here I am using only blue color of yarn for showing you clear stitches as a beginner. So first hold yarn like in finger, insert your hook, wrap yarn around your finger, hold it with your thumb, yarn over and pull it. Here we have first loop. Next we're gonna make chain on this loop. Insert your hook into the loop, just yarn over, pull it through the loop like this, yarn over, pull it through the loop. Repeat the same pattern, make chain, yarn over, pull it, yarn over, pull it like this. You see clearly. So repeat the same pattern, make the total of 35 chains. Just yarn over, pull it and yarn over, pull it until you complete the total of 35 chains on top. Just repeat the same pattern, yarn over, pull it through the loop and come back with me with total of 35 chains. Here I almost complete the total of 35 chain. Now insert your hook into the 4th chain, like skip first 3 chain, yarn over, insert your hook into the 4th chain, pull the yarn. Here we have 3 loops on hook, yarn over, pull it into first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. This is the double crochet stitch we will make in this pattern. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, pull the yarn, yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Repeat same pattern, yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. You see clearly. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. This is the double crochet stitch. Repeat the same pattern until you complete the total of chains. Here my pattern almost complete. Now I make my last double crochet stitch in last chain. Insert your hook, yarn over, insert your hook into the chain, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. In the last we will make chain 1 on top, pull the yarn over and just cut it with your scissors. This is the last step of this pattern. After cutting the yarn, pull the yarn tightly and secure your work in the last. You see clearly this is the double crochet stitch pattern. I already make one with white color of yarn. I am using blue color for showing you stitches clearly. So this is the beginner friendly tutorial. If you need any question about this tutorial, let me know in the comment. Next we will join them together with the help of gun glue. So I will show you how to assemble it and how to make a perfect circle. So just wrap it. Just place the blue yarn outside and white yarn inside and just wrap it and make a perfect like a pastry circle like this. Repeat the same pattern and join both parts together with the help of gun glue and just come back with me. Here I already joined it, you see clearly. Next we will make the upper part of the pastry like cherry and the cream part. Here I am also using the blue color of yarn, so wrap yarn around your 2 fingers like this for making magic ring. So insert your hook into the loop and pull the second yarn outside. Here we have magic ring. Next we're gonna make chain on this loop, yarn over, pull it, yarn over, pull it. Here we have total of 2 chain. Next we're gonna make half double crochet stitch inside the magic ring, yarn over, insert your hook into the magic ring, pull the yarn. Here we have 3 loops on hook, yarn over, pull it into 3 loop. Again yarn over the hook and repeat the same pattern of half double crochet stitch, yarn over the hook, insert your hook into the magic ring, pull the yarn over, pull it into 3 loops. Repeat same pattern, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into 3 loop. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into 3 loop until you complete the total of 9 half double crochet stitches inside the magic ring and complete the total of 9 half double crochet stitches. Don't forget any part of the video for making any mistake. If you need any question about this tutorial, let me know in the comment. My 9 half double crochet stitch is complete. Now pull the leftover yarn tightly and close the magic ring. Just pull it tightly. Now in the last we will make slip stitch. Insert your hook into the loop and also insert your hook into the first of half double crochet stitch. Insert your hook and pull yarn twice. After this, chain 1 on top, pull the yarn over and just cut it with your scissors for secure your work in the last. After cutting the yarn, pull the yarn tightly and secure your work in the end. This is the pattern of magic ring. I already make one with white color of yarn. You see clearly the stitches will be not clear. That's why I will make with blue color. Next I am using again blue color of yarn and make the cherry. So first we will make a loop. Next we're gonna make chain on this loop. Total make of 3 chain, yarn over, pull it, yarn over, pull it, yarn over, pull it. Here we have 3 chain. Next we're gonna make double crochet stitch but half, yarn over, insert your hook into the first chain, pull the yarn over, just pull it over. Here we have 3 loops, yarn over, pull it into only first 2 loops. Again yarn over the hook, insert your hook into the first chain, pull the yarn over the hook, again pull it into only first 2 loops. Again yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, just yarn over, pull it into first 2 loops. Here we have the total of 4 loops on hook, you see clearly. Now in the last, yarn over, pull it into 4 loops. After pulling the yarn into 4 loops, we will gonna make 3 chain on top, yarn over, pull it, yarn over, pull it, and yarn over, pull it, and make slip stitch into the first of same chain below. Insert your hook into the first chain like here and pull the yarn twice. After pulling the yarn twice, chain 1 on top, pull the yarn over and just cut it with your scissor. This step is for making your work secure. Pull the yarn tightly in the end. So in the last we will just pull the yarn outside for making the perfect cherry look. You see clearly how look it is. I already make the same one with pink color of yarn. I'm using blue color for showing you stitches clearly. So next we will place it on top and join them together with the help of gun glue. So hope you like this tutorial. If you need any question about this tutorial, let me know in the comment. Join it with the help of gun glue and come back with me. Here I join it, you see clearly how look it is. Next in the last we will attach a keychain hook on top like here and just join it together. This is the last step and complete the final look. You see clearly how look it is. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and also subscribe my YouTube channel for more crochet ideas. This is the beginner friendly tutorial, so stay with me for my next crochet tutorial. Allah Hafiz.